In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Lightburn. Now, when I say crop, it's not the typical crop that you might expect in any other software program. Lightburn uses what's called a masking technique, and I actually like it. So let's have a look at this. So I've got my image on the screen here, and what you need to do is just come up and choose one of the shapes here, whatever you like. You can go with a circle if you want to create a circle shape or a square shape. I'll just stick with a square. So I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to draw a square around the image, the part of the image where I want to crop. So just say I wanted that sort of part of it there. Now you can see it comes up as a line here. Now what we need to do is change that to a tool layer. So we come down to these options, these two colors down the bottom here, and just choose one of them, click on that, and you'll notice how it's changed it now to a tool layer, and it's got a framing option there. So the next thing we need to do is just highlight both of these. So I'm just going to come up to the select tool and click on that, so that now I can select both of these shapes. So I'm going to click and drag from the right to select both of them, and then I'm going to right click, and you'll see you get this option, apply mask to image. Now if you don't see that, it means you haven't done this process correctly. So make sure you change the layer to a tool layer, and make sure you've selected both of these so that both are selected nicely, and then you'll see that option appear. So just click apply mask to image, and you can see how that's done it there. Now what you can do with this, which makes this pretty awesome, is that you can actually move this around. If you notice, you can see that outer layer. I might just change the color of this one to a darker layer so you can see it. You can see how it's still got the original image there. That's the image of the car here. So what I can do is I can click on it, and I can move this around. You can notice I can move it around. Now I can choose the area that I want to add to my crop here, and I can actually click on the corners here to make it bigger. I mean, I can click on the sides to make it wider. I mean, it does change your image, so just be aware of that. And I can just move it around to wherever I like. Now I can also click on the shape surrounding it, the actual frame, and make that bigger or smaller as well. Probably want to go up taller here, and you can see I can now crop that way. So it's actually a pretty good tool for cropping. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. We've got loads on the channel already.